If you need a small business website or you're new to building websites, this is hands down my top pick. You can literally create a site just by describing what you want and watching AI build it for you. And if AI isn't your thing and you want to be more hands-on, you can build your business site using one of the Hostinger's modern templates. Editing is as simple as it gets, too. It's a no-code website builder with drag-and-drop controls and a grid system. The interface feels very welcoming, and if you can't find something, the AI assistant Kodi can help with pretty much anything related to your business site. There are even more AI tools that help build a website or fine-tune it later on, including AI writing tools and image or logo generation. It also helps with search engine optimization setup, which every site needs, but beginners often struggle with. With Hostinger's AI SEO assistance, this takes just a minute or two. There are also specific AI tools for e-commerce sites, like an AI product description generator. Writing product descriptions one by one is a tedious task, so this saves a lot of time, especially if your store has plenty of products. There's more to make things simple for your business, like built-in analytics and email campaigns. That might sound intimidating if you've never done it before, but Hostinger's email campaigns guide you step by step, so you can do it on your own without experience. On top of that, you can set up Google Ads directly from your dashboard. Another big plus is zero transaction fees. While many platforms take a cut from every sale, Hostinger respects your hustle. So you might be wondering if all of this comes at a higher price. Not really. As I mentioned earlier, Hostinger is very affordable. There's a single website builder plan for business that includes everything: hosting, the site builder, marketing tools, templates, and AI features, all bundled into one plan. It's one of the most budget-friendly deals out there. Just don't forget to use my Hostinger coupon by scanning the QR code on screen or clicking the link in the description so you pay the lowest price possible.